This filter makes me look alive and well, and I'm loving it. I feel really sick. My ears are itchy. My throat is super itchy. I have a horrible cough. I just feel really like Winnie the Pooh. And my honey said to give this a try. By this way, this filter is bringing life into my face because I do not look like this. I'm a little baby because there's rain and thunder right now. So I'm gonna try it, see if I like it. Shout out to this filter, yo. I decided to change the filters. So yeah, there's thunder here. You can see kind of like my eyes are a little more like, ugh. So he was like, give this a try. It's really good. You'll love it. And he's like, I tried it, but record yourself and send it to me to see your reaction. I was like, why? Is it that bad? He's like, no, I just want to see your reaction. It must be that bad. Oh, this filter is cute too. This is pretty delicious. My little baby. Okay, let's try. Y por si, I'm a heavy breather already, so right now that I can't breathe from my nose, I'm huffing and puffing from my mouth. Okay, pues. He bought it. He said it helped him. I mean, he said so. I believe. It smells like Vicks. Not too bad. Look at my niña wanting some. Let's try it. It's thick. Like pretty delicious. Okay. Que me las va a pagar, me las va a pagar. Oh man, it's not like super bad, but it caught me off guard. I was like, okay. You know, I thought it was gonna taste kind of like the Vicks Halls. I was like, I could handle that. That was really nasty. I could breathe a little more. Like, look at her. She was like, oh, mom, that stinks. I didn't throw up. Or else I would have took off my little niña here, but oh, it caught me off guard. Let's see if it helps. I guess my breath is kicking because look at her. She wants to escape. Good gracious. I don't know what's in this. I just said in el nombre de Dios and I took it. It says cough, congestion, minor